Friends, welcome to AXEN EDUWINGS Private Limited. I am Nilati Paul. I am the faculty member of AXEN EDUWINGS Private Limited. Today we discuss about this. What about these upcoming exams are there? For talking about these upcoming exams, West Bengal's one of the best exams, WBCS Prelims, will be held the month of December. 16 December Prelims will be held. So today we discuss about this. The one of the major part of this WBCS Prelims is their general science. General science means physics, chemistry, and biology. So today we discuss about this so what about the possibility questions come from this physics and chemistry. So our faculty member of AXEN EDUWINGS is Akriti Gupta. Hello ma'am. So ma'am, my first question is that this in WBCS exam most of the students are coming from the non-science background. Basically these humanities background students most of the appearing of this exam. So, but 2-3 years we are see that these questions papers come very high level in science background, science part. But in this non-science background students, how they handling this type of questions?
Okay, so for the non-science background students, the amount of questions they solve for the examinations before their examinations, like mock tests and practice papers, which are also being introduced by our institution. So if they solve that, they can know much more about the clarity of the concept what they have to study. That's the main thing. If they solve much mock tests and practices.
And first of all, ma'am, you're telling us that this our time is very short because there's 1.5 months left.
Yeah.
So in this short period, how can students they handle which is topic they read more? Basically, physics and chemistry.
So they can do the light portion because it is a very vast topic, and the light one, the sound, electricity, and there is this topic related to unit and measurement because every year question comes from the unit and measurement topic. And in chemistry they can basically focus on environmental chemistry, because this prelims examination is not only for BCS but also for the forest examination, and in the forest examination much more questions are from the environmental section also, so they can do that, and some questions are related to metals and non-metals, the alloys which are there, and few questions related to current affairs, like for example in space and technology certain things are going on like Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1, these kind of things if students implement, because current affairs is also the important integral part of the syllabus.
And one thing of that is for talking about these arts background students or commerce background students, those questions come from this elemental level or graduation level. So if this type of questions come, how they answer these questions?
So basically in prelims, the level of the question will be up to class 10, or max to max it will go from a bit of class 11 and 12. In the prelims, yeah, of course in the mains we get questions from graduation levels.
Yes.
And that thing, but for that the main thing is the practice, how much they practice, because if a student thinks that okay we can clear prelims without science and all, they can do. There are students who did that thing, but when they study for the mains, as the mains paper for science is for 100 marks, they obviously lag there because they don't have any concept, they haven't studied anything for the prelims, and ultimately they are not able to clear the mains. So it is better to study from the very beginning and focus on the basics, because nowadays the questions are on concept basis. So if they do that, that will be better.
Yeah, and not only WBCS, like upcoming exams like food essay also there, basic clerkship, ADUB published, PSC miscellaneous also there. So PSC related whatever exams are there, these all type of exams like question pattern is same in general science pattern in PSC related exams. Or the question pattern is different, it depends on these exams. Like PSC miscellaneous is different, WBCS is different, food essay is different.
Prelims is almost same for all the examinations, the pattern of the questions.
So if you tell some topics, it is helpful. So those topics.
Okay, so like I was saying that light is important. There is this electricity, sound, then motion. Motion is also very important. There, few numericals might come from there also, and units and measurements same quantities have same dimension or same unit. That kind of questions are there. And in chemistry, they can study about the allotropes of carbon, the uses of allotropes of carbon, what are the properties of carbon, like they are showing catenation and tetravalency, that thing. Then the alloys, the salts, their common name, their chemical name, that thing, and some acids, like for example, this oxalic acid remove the stain from the stain of the rust from the cloth. Then vinegar, that is the acetic acid, that kind of things are there. And other chapters in the same.
No, so another thing of that is you telling of these some important topics, and these topics cover up the central level exams. What are the state level exams? Then for talking about the central level exams, some regular exams are there. Regular exam means the suppose staff selections. They're providing this multitasking, CHSL, CGL. These type of exams going on every year, regular basis. So this type of exam also, this type of chapters are common.
Yeah, common. These are the common topics which usually come in all exams.
And regular exam also. Railway related exams also. Okay. But I think this railway related exams like numerical based, like mathematical
Mathematical
things.
is
Yeah,
one
mathematicals come very much.
And reasoning.
Yeah, reasoning. Like if we're talking about the physics and chemistry, like mathematical. Mathematical portions is come very much. And just last questions to you. That like in WBCS, for talking about the WBCS, because today's our discussion basically focused on WBCS. In WBCS main exam, the general science paper also there. So those topic is important for the prelims. So prelims and mains both syllabus are same, or for mains related we read more advanced.
Yeah, they have to obviously read more advanced for the mains, because here they don't have that much of numericals related to physics and chemistry, but in the mains they will definitely get numericals. Certain graphs are there, certain new topics are there, like I was telling about the motion. Here in the prelims they just study about the motion in a straight line, that's the thing. But in the mains they have to study about the projectile motion. Then as they are studying here, for example, atom is also important in chemistry. So here they just study till up to the isotopes, isobar, what is atomic number, atomic mass, these kind of things. But when they go for this mains, they have to do this principal quantum number and this thing, that the quantum number concept for the electronic configuration, and also a bit advanced level.
So this is also important for this. Okay, thank you much for conversation. So students, our regular class is going on. Basically, this whatever these upcoming exams are there, WBCS, PSC miscellaneous, WB Food SI, PSC clerkships. Whatever the central level, state government related exams are there. Not only state level, central government related exams also we are providing. Okay, so those are interested. Our contact number is there. So if you are interested, please contact us. And every Sunday we are providing the free demo classes. If you are interested, you can join the free demo classes also. First you see the class, then you decide for these admissions. Okay, thank you.